guys, today we are going to draw a means of transportation that you might not know. Do you have any idea what it could be? Let's start by drawing a small basket at the bottom, nice and simple. Then, above it, draw a huge round balloon shape. Take your time and make it as big as you like. What could it be? Do you already know? Yes, it's a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons float because hot air is lighter than cold air, so it rises up into the sky and lifts the balloon with it. Pretty cool, right? You can find all the drawing materials in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun drawings like this.